In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to give Snapchat Plus subscription to someone. Let's get started. First, launch your Snapchat app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now click on the Bitmoji icon given at the top left. Once you are on the profile page, click on the settings icon given at the top right. Now head over to the option Snapchat Plus. Then click on the option Snapchat Plus Gift. Now select the user to whom you want to send this gift. Now select the subscription duration or plan you would like to purchase. Then click on Give Snapchat Plus. Now follow the on-screen instructions to complete your payment using your preferred payment method. After the payment is successful, Snapchat will send the gift to the recipient. They may need to open Snapchat and refresh the app or accept the gift before the Snapchat Plus subscription is activated on their account. If you don't see the gift Snapchat Plus option, make sure you are using the latest version of Snapchat. Keep in mind that this feature may not be available in all countries, on all devices, or for every account. And that's how you can gift a Snapchat Plus subscription to someone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.